Yes, welcome back. The program now Ask Ide Hot, and on today's matter, what do they look? Will they look the increase of fuel price from 86 naira to this to 245 naira, and Nigerians obviously don't they react over them, and our guest for house, Oga Victor, also they give your own view about the whole matter. So Oga Victor, you will they reply to one particular question which you could ask you before we go for that break.
500 billion cushion. You've been talking about the kind cushion. He said, be like, this cushion.
This is why you get paid inside.
But see the budget. They already talk, he dey clear, say 500 billion, they be talk say for the poorest of the poor. Say this
Who
thing.
they define the poorest of the poor? You never see where, when they go say they build houses, say for the poor, one rich man alone will carry about 5 or 10 or 15 of the house, allocate to himself, begin the rent out. When they go build market, and government, they say now for, when they go collect market from traders, then they say they want to begin, they resell the shops to the traders. One person, one government official, go allocate 20 shops to himself.
But in a government of change, and we president when we say they don't talk saying a man of integrity.
Who defines integrity?
Even Barack Obama Barack Obama, the president of the United States of America, look our Oga president finish talk say he's doing a good job.
Barack Obama, they follow us live here. In the feel what they feel here. You know what they go through. If they see the lie what they experience every day, leave that matter. In the suffer what you know say with the end, people they have 80,000. How many they even get 80,000 when no son have sample everywhere? Leave that matter.
But this change when we talk about now, if Oga president na person, see they say they feel our pain. They say they feel our pain. Say everything when I don't know whether you understand the angle where they come from.
Chukudi, you go bring that angle later. But meanwhile, make we collect this call from Oga Pat. Oga Pat, the callers from Germany. Good morning, Oga Pat.
Good morning, my honorable Nkubi Chukudi and Oga Victor.
We greet you, Oga Pat. Oga Pat, this is your voice. You know, be like who
right. Good morning, Oga Pat. Good morning.
I know things they good for here, but if they pay me, if I enjoy some kind benefit for here, then I can't see people for down there they suffer so many things, you know. So the thing what they say, talking about this fuel issue. Early last year, when they buy fuel for 160, that's €1.60.
Okay.
But since the price of oil come down, the thing automatically came down now to 115. You understand? Now 115 now. Nobody, you don't need to protest. And I never see queue since why I did this country. I never see queue. You go drive in, buy your fuel, pay your money, come out by yourself. And now, like I tell you, one thing where they, you see this 145 naira where they increase them. I talk them the last time where I called that program. That 145 no be the price where it go remain. No. They no say labor will come and do maybe their target now 135.
Uru to the answer.
Now 135. So at the end of the day now, they go come out and bring them to 135 or 130. Then Nigerians go say, okay, they don't try, at least they come up 15 naira. But all na planned work. Now my contribution this morning without. Now well done.
Oga, thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. But then, in the same vein, Oga Victor, may also bring on this way. I will still bring them back to the issue of labor. But before then, we could collect this call from God Bless. God Bless, they call us from Warri. Good morning, God Bless.
Good morning, my brother, Chukudi and Ngudi.
Good morning.
I greet you now.
We salute you.
Good morning, sir.
This petrol of the thing, we don't know where we go for this country.
Would they hear? Okay, God bless.
This petrol of the thing, we don't know where we go for this country. They don't tell us, say, when they enter government, Naira will be 1 naira to $1. They will feed our children for school. They will give people not get what they will give them money, 5,000. They say fuel will come down. Now fuel don't go 145. My brother, look where we go. When they talk, where are the civil society? Where are the labor? Where are the migrants on the way now? But before, if you talk of fuel, say 100 naira, you see all these kinds of people for road. They will stay one place, they feed them, people will feed them. Where are these people? Please, we should look at this. The country belongs to everybody, so that we know where we go. Thank you.
Okay, God bless. Thank you very, very much. God bless. The same way you mentioned labor. Okay, we get Chadi. Chadi, call us from Wari. Good morning, Chadi.
Good morning.
Yes,
good
good evening.
Yes, good evening. Good morning.
They greet you, Oga Chadu.
Mr. Maui did a good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Victor Okai.
Victor, they talk the truth. Now it's correct what they talk. Because this country, our leaders, they are too bad. They're bad, I wish. They're bad, they won't ever wish. Nobody would like for 9 I be wish. Our leaders, they be wish.
They take broom fly by day.
Our government and the people that increase the fuel so now, they don't care about the poor people now. They care about the poor people, they don't increase that go 41, 45. What if the reason why they can't go 145? Because they buy fuel. There's family members they buy fuel. They buy the fuel, they don't know what they pay people. In fact, I don't get what I want to pass, so they'll be just wicked people, our leaders.
Okay, Oga Chadi,
We don't hear your contribution. Thank you very much. We didn't pay you reach the extent where you even talk, say, somehow. But we always talk and say, even though we get our right to express ourselves, you go get the way we go take do and make you no come be like, say, we too carry the matter, say the thing they pay us well. Oga Victor.
Okay, Oga Victor, the question I will say, okay, with the issue of labor right now, if labor say, okay, they don't increase the price of fuel, and then they come and say, okay, may not do something about this, we know we cannot accept it, the same way they come and accept. And maybe somehow, they come say, okay, make we bring and make we reverse and small, bring and that to this amount. We should still have a more like a complement to the whole thing, because one, as long as the price, the salaries of salary never increase, what thing you say labor supposed to do to at least also ensure say them balance, because let us have that balance between the price way they earn now to the distance to the money way workers go they collect, so that at least could not say we had a particular place. What did you say be the next step where labor supposed to take beyond just demanding say okay we know accept this price, we could go that going beyond it.
Anything way past 50 naira. Now, criminal injustice to the poor. I say so because you hear what our friend from Germany talk. I be say we're going to buy something at a cheaper price now, but now Nigeria 9 price go come the double again.
Oga Victor, make we hear from Agbef. Agbef, they call us from Makodi. May no verse because Makodi too far. Oga Agbef, good morning and welcome to our city hot.
Good morning, Agbef.
Okubi.
Yes.
Now, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Agbef, you don't take small, oh.
He don't say, but this matter, he makes an invest and say about God today.
Okay, feel free.
This poor matter, when they are in school, they do what they do. This poor matter, that person, the minister, when you get my that was it. And last, this were 145 naira. I'm not sure yet this correct. He has not correct, because it's not what they said.
Oga Agbef, I beg, you go need to also mind the kind of language wey they use, I beg. You understand?
Because we fight, we vote to change this to the APC. They don't use money by us. We vote this people, make things better, but I believe that if they work more. It's for the Hidapa, it doesn't work. And when they get anything for Nigeria, they make it up more. If I tell you how many people what police don't vote for this
Oga Agbef, we don't note your important contribution.
Very much.
From the way your voice, even the sound self, you did very, very pain. But we dey talk and say issues when they affect us in Obodo Nigeria, we go dey talk and because this country belongs to all of us. If it's good, we go enjoy them. If it's spoiled, now all of us go still suffer the pain. We get Elijah. Elijah, they call us all the way from Cotonou for Benin Republic. Elijah, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
I greet your guy Elijah.
Ukubi, good morning.
Good morning, Elijah.
I greet you, Mr. Victor.
Good morning, sir.
We dey hear you, Elijah.
I just want to talk. I come from Ojudu Bega.
Okay, Ojudu Bega.
Yeah. I just want to talk about this fuel issue.
Okay.
You know, time don't reach when we will commot party affiliation. Say this one like APC, this one like PDP. The way you support, the way you know they support. Because the way actually they affect us now, now all of us they affect.
Yes.
Them increase for now the same price when APC member will pay, now PDP member will pay.
Very true.
You understand? So what they try to talk because this regime, this APC regime, this new regime, I get very disappointed in them. You understand? Some people they call, they go voice out everything when they pay them. You go see the tones when they talk. You understand? Because everything when they promise us, say they go give us one thing, you know, which one I won't count? 95,000. I've been at the employment. I've been nothing. Now, from one excuse to another, from one excuse to me, at the time, my friend say it's better for us for Jonathan regime than this one. You understand? It's better because my friend come from Cyprus 1 month ago when the fuel scarcity hit well. He supposed to spend 2 weeks. He said no, he spend 2 weeks for this Nigeria because you go out, you know, go see for nothing is working. You know understand? So, but me, I just talk my own little contribution. We say make we look very well. At least. We don't enter. Before you know now, 2019 go reach. Everybody, not be say you go just carry broom again. Then before the 2019, 2018, they will just say, okay, this one. They will take line, cover our face. Then we go gather as they say use broom, they vote them in. Now that same broom, they will take them out. So our power now, our votes. You understand? So the thing we say, we go look. You not go fit deceive us 2 times. You understand? So now my own contribution be that.
Okay, Elijah, thank you very much.
Elijah.
This is your important contribution. We appreciate them. Oga Victor, but a quick one. Like Nkubi talk, waiting organized labor go do. The thing not really very, very clear. Like you don't talk, they say they go meet tomorrow. Maybe if they meet tomorrow, they'll tell us the next line of action. But make we try look. I know say they pay you, but make we just try look 6 months, 1 year with this particular 145 naira. In the argument, say our refineries, then go try fix them. They won't do all these things. They won't do all this that. You think say that one another line when they add, so make we believe them somehow.
They visible somehow. But before that, we will collect this call. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes. Would they hear you?
Yes. My name is Omondi. You're calling from Port Harcourt.
Okay.
Yes, my brother, we have sold our Joseph and by Judas. I don't know maybe you understand me, so we don't sell our Joseph, we don't think and go buy Judas. I think every time we complain, say, good Lord Jonathan, now waiting to do with this. Even church pastors, they carry paper from Lagos, they allow Father saying, good Lord Jonathan must do because it's a question city. But now, waiting we don't come back to now. We don't sell our Joseph. They can go buy Judas. All of us now die with the die they go so.
Oga,
we not go die. Oga,
you don't talk about
we not go happen.
tell you what it is.
make it no. We understand.
Only God never will reveal save us for this condition where we do so. You can imagine if now you go feed the bag this way. What of our brothers, our sisters, when okay buy them? You can imagine it's paining, it's touching me from the bottom of my heart. I just begin to imagine if I see this when you do this, when you do this thing, I see picture of devil for them. And I opportunity to be fast and pray for them, seriously. When I remember what happened to the past people when you want to do that thing before, the thing will come back to them because if you make people hungry, hungry will come back to you.
Exactly. Oga Omojoye, we don't note this your important point. Thank you very, very much. From the same Port Harcourt, we get Precious. Precious will be our final caller so that our Ogonge visitor will get all the time to talk all the talk. Precious, good morning and welcome to Asideot.
Good morning, Precious.
Our visitor, good morning. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Precious.
They pick our men, they pick our Nigerian men. This APC government at all, they help us. They help matter at all. Me, where they come from Port Harcourt, so I'm from those states. They don't say work for some APC government. We're not enjoying it. Local government workers are in those states. They don't pay salary. 2 things, they don't increase them. Now that they increase fuel, how they expect make poor man take survive? How they expect no one take survive? Minimum wage, they don't pay. Salary, they don't pay. 2 things, they increase. Ordinary civil servants workers cannot pay 2 fees for one daughter or one son in a state.
Madam Precious, we don't note your point. The thing they pay you very, very well, but we go talk say, make we take everything easy. On that taking it easy note, we go just rush enter inside one small break. When we go this break, come back, and at the way forward, then we go to look from here. No go anywhere. Now, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and this now as Ide complete time. Welcome back to As It Is Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogonga visitor, Oga Victor Ohai, there inside studio, and we will discuss the increase in the pump price from 86 naira 50 kobo to 145 naira. Before we go that break, we've been talking and say we don't hear all the calls. A lot of Nigerians know they're happy with this particular decision, but not to move forward. Oga Victor Ohai, make we look at like this. Now 145 naira. Argument of say our refineries know they work. In fact, for that statement, I know say if I talk this one, you go even verse you more. They talk say the present reality and waiting they inherit on top of their head based on the past 16 years of, according to them in quote, maladministration, say na income result in this particular action. Make we can look going forward. If now 145 naira, we can't see the supply. Our refineries can't in order. Nigeria can't begin to move. I don't know. You think say somehow as a make we just even look and say okay, oh yeah, 145 naira, he dey okay, he dey good. How we go take him move forward from here? Abi you think say this motor no fit start at all?
Chukwu, before I answer that question, may I ask 12 on that question? I don't know who your papa be. Was he in the civil service, a businessman or whatever? Was he a very comfortable person?
He was, by the grace of God, he tried for himself.
He tried for himself. What about
Well,
you?
in the same vein, yes.
He tried for himself. Okay, so.
But not be the kind of money where politicians get to make I talk my mind now.
I go somewhere. Make I talk, give example of some people. Jonathan, what he inherit from his papa, not fit buy shoe. But by the grace of God, he work hard, he make something out of his life. MK Abiola,
They cut firewood.
he not inherited, he not see what he inherited from his papa, but by the grace of God,
He became
what he is. Jimo Ibrahim, we not hear say papa na rich man, but by the grace of God, he managed himself, he become somebody. Even Dangote be the richest man. What he inherit from his papa, he not there anywhere compared to what he don't make out of his life today.
True.
Waiting bad say you inherit nothing from your papa. Pikin when you inherit, so not to when you inherit, whether you inherit or not inherit, you all not be to make life better.
Yes, okay.
Not be so?
That's true.
Enough of this lie. They inherit the biggest economy in Africa. Not be we talk about this is what the GDP, the biggest GDP.
Stated it.
They inherit. Forget all this so-called lie where they tell us everything. Healthy economy. Your life not better as before. What is the value of Buhari's currency today? Make a call by name. Buhari's currency and Goodluck's currency, what is the value? Take them, go market. Waiting Jonathan on buy for you and waiting Buhari on buy for you. Which one plenty pass? Go take Jonathan currency, go buy tomato. Take Buhari currency, go buy tomato. Buhari, I know where I go buy 3 seeds of tomato for 100 naira. That's first fact. These are realities on the ground. So all this story where they talk every day, I know make we not the bend mouth. Make we talk things as it be. You understand what I'm saying? All this issue of they inherit this, they inherit that, they inherit. When coach inherit bad team, why they hire him? Not be to make the team better. You go there, they complain, say, and that coach get bad. If you get bad players, employ new players.
But Oga Victor, make we look further. Apart from the fact, say, okay, they inherit in particular this thing from the past government. Make we look further. Okay, they don't put things in place. Maybe say we go fix the refineries in a couple of years to come. Okay, what to make we anticipate? Okay, we don't witness this one now. At least in the near future, what to make we see? At least maybe it should look towards the probably seeing a light at the end of the tunnel.
For this government?
No, that question I asked.
Now history they take
going by the master plans where they don't.
Now history they take judge future. If for 1 year you did the struggle, enough you bring budget. Meanwhile, you don't say you don't enter government since March 20. You don't win elections since March 28. 1 whole year, you never. Then it take you 6 months to look for virgin for maternity ward. Say you want to appoint ministers. At the end of the day, see what they appoint, saying they're ministers. Saying that they are not corrupt, incorruptible people. Bros, you see, now morning, now they take know how they would be. If they use history, they judge future.
The current.
Yeah. And not get hope. All the things where they promise, don't be here with they list them. Fuel go be 45 naira, dollar go be one naira.
Everything they outline.
Our children go they chop every day for school free of charge. 5,000 naira day. 1 year don't pass, we never implement them. 5,000 teachers will be employed. 1 year don't pass, we never one person never employed. I won't get hope for that kind of government. When you say now lie, you go take lie, cover lie, take lie, cover lie, take lie, cover lie. How I want to trust that kind of government? I can't trust now. But best way, he promise more, he over deliver. When he talk, before he even talk, he like, if not that person, something will come out of it. But this one, based on the lie, the promise and fail. I don't see hope, not with this government.
Okay, Victor.
For future, God will bring the Messiah where would they look for? But if not this one, forget it.
Okay, Victor, even on that, on this note, we go just talk and say, we get countries of this world when we say they find themselves for this kind of similar situation. When we say the economy, social, everything like that, it's in the way you take day. But the leadership at the time, with the support of the people, now it can make them turn around. It go good make we let Nigerians understand, say, this country belongs to all of us. Over the years, some of us, they talk, say, those when we don't elect to represent us, maybe those when cross from one party, go the other party, come back to the party, go this party, they claim, say, they be born again and everything like that. Say, we don't tire for them, or leave them. We take God hand. This country belongs to all of us. All of us go stand up. All of us go talk. We go support government when they committed to ensuring, say, the country move forward. So we they talk and say, make all of us join our hand together to help government, help ourselves, help this country move forward. Because like one of our callers talk, the money when we say person when we say I can't carry member of APC go pay to buy fuel. Now in the same person when they support PDP go also do the same, or you don't get any political party at all. Oga Victor, we appreciate the fact.
You want to ask me a question?
No.
Who go support God? Now the people where they suffer now, where they punish now. Now you expect say they go pray.
No, we go still discuss this.
Pray for yourself.
Collect your handshake.
Pray for yourself. No, chop not go chop.
Okay, we go chop it up.
It go better for you. Go better.
Definitely.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.